Looking for a broker that's best for beginners? We'll help you find your perfect match, making the process simple and stress-free. In this video, we'll break down the top 3 brokers for beginners in India based on our experts' hands-on testing of over 100 providers, each checked against more than 600 data points. By assisting close to 1 million people over the past half year, we've pinpointed the key priorities for beginner investors: low fees, simple apps, and helpful learning tools. Let's jump into our top 3 list, highlighting 3 key advantages for each broker. Kicking off our countdown at number 3 is TradeZero. TradeZero impresses with low stock and ETF fees, making trading affordable. It's quick and easy to open an account, perfect for those eager to start. The broker shines with excellent education resources and top-notch customer support, keeping users informed and confident. Our runner-up at number 2 is FirstTrade. FirstTrade stands out with zero-cost stock, ETF, fund, and options trading. Users enjoy solid research tools and top-notch educational resources. It's perfect for those seeking a youthful yet reliable platform to start their investment journey. And now, for our number 1 pick, the best broker for beginners in India is Easy Equities. Easy Equities shines with low trading and non-trading fees, making investing super affordable. Their educational materials are top-notch, helping newcomers learn the ropes. The account setup is a breeze, completely digital and hassle-free, perfect for modern investors. Every investor is different, and the best choice always depends on you. To compare these brokers side by side and see our full detailed analysis, check out the complete guide on BrokerChooser.com. The link is right in the description below. If you found this guide helpful, subscribe and turn on notifications for more practical insights to help you on your investing journey. Thanks for watching.